Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and this is how to grill excellent burgers on the Z-Grill's pellet grill. So the first thing you want to do is marinate your burgers. Make your own burgers. I recommend at least using ground chuck. You could use ground sirloin or ground steak if you wanted to, but let them marinate in the refrigerator, preferably for a few hours or overnight for even better flavors. You can do a high heat, but the thing is, if you do the high heat, you're not really going to soak up the smoke. So what I'm going to do first is put the burgers in here at 225. So I'm going to let them cook at 225 for probably around, I don't know, maybe an hour, maybe a little bit less. And what that's going to do is enable them to slow cook and really soak up the flavors from the wood. And I've got some extra marinade, so I'm gonna put that on there. So in the Z-Grill's app, you can see I've got the temperature set to 225, and it'll fluctuate by a few degrees. It's 230 right now, but we're gonna let these cook, I don't know, for about another 55 minutes or so. And then once we've done that, we're going to increase the temperature to get a good sear on each side of the burger at a higher heat. But let's let these go for around 225, 230, that's fine. You could even go as high as 250 if you wanted to, but low and slow, get that good smoke flavor penetration in the burgers.
Yeah. Chef IrixGuy. Chef IrixGuy in the yard. Apron stain. Pellet grill, puffin' cherry, keep it flame tame. Burger patties thick, press marks on the edge. Salt on the beef, fat drip off the ledge. At the Appalachian Ocean, he stunt on the same. Smoke kiss the bun while he work with the hand. Pickles in the jar, sweet onion on deck. Turn that lid slow, hit a whole crowd check. Wood chips sing, cool breeze roll. Chef IrixGuy got that stove on gold. Chef IrixGuy grill that way. Burgers on the pellet, let them ride all day. Chef IrixGuy make it move. Appalachian Ocean with the barbecue groove. Chef IrixGuy talk that talk. Smoke rise up when he walk that wall. Chef IrixGuy.
Okay, so it's been about an hour, almost an hour at 225 degrees Fahrenheit. So now what I'm going to do is go into the Z-Grill's app, and I'm going to crank the temperature up. So now you can see within the app the temperature is already up to 298. Also you can see on the display, so now it's 302, so it's rising quickly. I don't have to go all the way to 400 if I don't want to. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and do the first flip now because the burgers have firmed up enough to where I can flip them. I mean, obviously, don't flip them at the start of the cook because you're doing 225, which is low and slow. So let's give these a good flip here. Oh man. Nice. Just carefully flipping to make sure I don't tear them. Oh man, those grill marks. We're going to give it a good flip. Oh yes. So now I'm going to put my buns on the top rack to toast up here. And then I'm going to flip my burgers once again. And add a cheese blend to the top of my burgers. Monterey Jack and cheddar.
That flame Everybody say it when he call that name. Patty got a crust like a rusted chain link. Cheddar melt slow when the sun hit pink. Brioche toasted, little butter sheen. Tomato sliced red like a magazine scene. He flipped that burger, no rush, no fear. Bun land soft with the top burn clear. Lettuce crunch loud, dill sauce swirl. One bite in, man, it stopped the world. Wood chip sing, cool breeze roll. Chef IrixGuy, got that stove on go. Chef IrixGuy, grill that way. Burgers on the pellet, let them ride all day. Chef IrixGuy, make it move. Appalachian Ocean with the barbecue groove. Chef IrixGuy, talk that talk. Smoke rise up when you walk that wall. Chef IrixGuy, back that flame. Everybody say it when they call that name. Tide on the left, pine on the right. Cast iron dream in the summer night. He don't need much, just heat and time. One good burger can change your mind. Chef IrixGuy, grill that way. Burgers on the pellet, let them ride all day. Chef IrixGuy, make it move. Appalachian Ocean with
now we're going to do what matters, and that's the taste test. Toasted buns, mustard, ketchup, pickles, and mayonnaise. Man, perfectly done. Pronounced wood smoke flavor. And what you'll notice about cooking on a pellet grill, minimal shrinkage. So if you've ever cooked, if you've ever grilled a burger on a traditional grill, you know they often dry out and shrink considerably. This is not dried out. Very good wood smoke flavor, and just awesome. I could not go to any restaurant and get a better burger. And the best part is, I didn't have to pay the restaurant premium. I didn't have to pay the gas to and from the restaurant. I didn't have to pay a tip. I didn't have to waste time. I grilled these while I was doing other things. Man, good stuff. I mean, absolute perfection. And you could do these high heat the whole time if you wanted to, but I would do what I just did again. 225 for about an hour. And then finish them up, 350, 400 degrees, flip them a few times. Add cheese if you want to add cheese. Toast the buns, why not? I mean, might as well. I mean, it makes it so much better. I mean, I even get wood smoke flavor in the bun. Man. So good. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, and check out all of my Z-Grill's pellet grilling videos. It's the good stuff. And if you're shopping for the pellet grill, expand this video's description and click the link there. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.